To create IAM user, you have to search IAM in AWS console and go to IAM. In the left side menu, you have to click on users and then click on create user. Enter your IAM username. If you want to give access to user to AWS management console, check it. And then I want to create an IAM user, that's fine. Auto generated, that's fine. Next. Then you have to attach the policies, which policies you want to give to your IAM user. Here I'm going to give administrative access. If you want to give multiple permissions, you can give. So policy is attached. I will just click next. And then I have to click on create user. And the user is created. You can download the CSV file to share it with the user so he can log in into the AWS management console. Download a CSV file and return to user list. And you can see here, this was the username that we have created. So if I go to this IAM user, if I have to create a secret key and access key to log in via CLI, I have to click on security and credentials. Okay, and here access key, create access key. If I want to use CLI, just select command line interface. I understand. Next. Give a value, something, and create access keys. Okay, and just download this CSV file. And this CSV file contains the secret key and the access key. So this is how you can create an IAM user, and also you can create access key and secret key as well.